I always used to say that, you know, God didn't give me the body, but he gave me the hair. Hi. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is hairing today. So I thought I'd do a little video because I've been kind of like struggling with how to make my hair the way I want it for years. And this is how I like it. I like it just like a little bit wavy, a little bit like a little bit of movement, but it's not like super flat, but there's some curls. Like I would prefer it having like tons of curls, but that's not my reality, and that's okay. Anyway, ooh, it looks like I don't have any eyebrows if I like 1 point. Anyway, okay. I wanted to share with you how I've been doing this. So, first of all, I've been sleeping in a bonnet. I will, if you want the link to this, just comment bonnet, I guess. Bonnet. Anyway, that's not fun. Anyway, so what I've been doing, typically I do this at night. Last night I was so fucking tired that I just got into my bed and I went to sleep. I didn't even wear the bonnet. But, put dry shampoo up here, okay? So dry shampoo on the top of my head. And then, well, I brush it out first. I brush it out and I put dry shampoo on the top of my head. And then I have been using this. I read something and was like, you shouldn't put oil in your hair because it's blah, blah, blah. But this is what works for me. I like stopped putting oil in my hair and then my hair started getting shitty. So I put this Trader Joe's hair oil, a hair serum. I'm sure that you can find other things that you can get. This is like $3. Like, why wouldn't you, right? If you have a Trader Joe's. And what's even great about it is it has a locking lid. Ooh, that didn't lock. It's got a locking lid. And it also moisturizes your hands, you know, if you need to. And I just kind of like rub it on and then I will bring it through my hair and kind of like get chunks and like scrunch a little bit. But I don't really like, I don't like comb it through. I just kind of squeeze it through. And then that's it. And it's been great. And my hair is like nice and wavy. It's moisturized on the bottom, but it's drier on the top. So it kind of like, I think for me, my head gets really oily on the top, but the ends are really dry. So it evens it out, you know? So, yeah. Anyway, look at this hot piece of, look at this hair. It's fucking great, right? Like